Hello, guys, it's Guillaume Martinier. I'm the author of two books on finding your purpose, retired firefighter and fire investigator, and now an entrepreneur full time helping people start their business. And I want to say that I just finishing reading Ask and It Is Given by Jerry and Esther Hicks with the teachings of Abraham. And it is amazing. And there's few gold pieces. Well, the entire book is amazing. Few gold pieces near the end of what you can do to start attracting wealth right now in your life. So let's review some of them, and that's you can start doing right away, and let the law of attraction bring all the wealth that you are meant to have in your life. So the first thing I started to do is carry. Where did I put it? That's funny. It's on the table. I left my wallet inside. So you want to carry. You want to be carrying around $100 in your pocket. So if you've been scared about money or misconceptions about money in the past, you want to be loving money and loving what it can bring to you. So you want to start going to shops and keep $100 bill in your pocket, and with that, you can imagine everything that you would buy when you were in that shop. You start imagining, oh yes, I would love to buy that. Like, I know I can because I have $100 in my pocket, but then you don't get to spend it. You just get to make the choice in your mind to buy this thing, and over the day, then you can buy so many $100 items that it accumulates, and your mind starts. Let's say there's 22 items you wanted to buy on that day, then you have spent in your mind $2,200, and you welcome the practice of spending money and of attract, and that's going to because you have no blockage when you think about money. Then money from the law of attraction will start being attracted in your life, because as spirits, um, in the non-physical form, we are meant for wellness, and everything comes from wellness. So if when you're in the physical form, we put a lot of limitations, and everything that's preconceived ideas can stop you from attracting all that wealth. Then when you start spending, well, you start attracting more money in your life. So that's one of the first steps to start loving money, and letting it come in your life. Then something really, really cool that I'm starting to do today is a treasure box. So get a very nice box and start putting stuff in it. Everything that you put in that treasure box is stuff that you're going to attract in your life. So all you have to do is cut stuff in magazines, stuff that you want, stuff that you like, stuff that you've got off the internet. If it's something that's really close to your heart or in your mind, write it down on paper and then put it in your box. So because you've just put it in your box, and you know that everything in your box is going to be attracted, then there's no resistance coming from you, stopping the law of attraction from bringing it in your life, because you start having negative thoughts or blockages in your mind to those things. You put it in the box and then forget about it, and just accept the fact that you're going to attract it. So there's a second thing you can do, and the third thing is very awesome. Um, Start depositing a check every day. Something you received, write a check to yourself of, on day one, $1,000, on day two, 2,000, day three, 3,000, and so on. So you start accepting money in your life, you visualize it, and then write down immediately, or make a check to someone else, or for something else, of how you're going to spend that $1,000, 2,000, 3,000 every day. So spend the whole amount, so you receive it. You can put it in the Excel sheet, make a check, have a checkbook, however you like, but really see the money coming in and then the money coming out. And it's going to start visualizing how you're going to spend that money. Really good for your imagination, and see yourself receiving that money as well. So I'm on day 11, so today I received a check for $11,000, and I wrote down everything how I was going to spend it, and I'm super excited for tomorrow to get that $12,000. So that's how you're going to train your brain to receive money and spend money. So put back money in the economy, in the world. Money is vibrations. It's a tool that's given to us to make transactions, and it's a trade of energy. So I give this energy of money to someone else who's giving me the energy of service in return, or a product. So you need to really deal with the flow of energy, and that's a really, really good way to welcome this energy in your life and be able to share it with others. So as Abraham says, or Esther and Jerry Hicks, if you do that for 1 year, and this is really my plan, actually, never to stop, is in 1 year, from going $1,000 more every day, you're going to receive a total of $66 million, and have to use your imagination to be able to spend $66 million. And that's really, my friends, going to attract a lot of wealth in your life, is if you follow the teachings of Abraham Hicks. So thank you so much for listening today. I will put the link to that book in the description below. It is awesome, Learning to Manifest Your Desires. I picked up a ton in this book. Really love it. Recommend it to everyone. So I'll put the link on Amazon if you want to order it. Really, 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 really worth it. You're awesome. Thank you, guys. And I'm looking forward to be on this journey with you. I put my entire family this weekend to be able to receive the money every day, and we had a lot of fun seeing how we were going to spend it. So bye, guys.